This was so easy to put together, and I already can tell it's going to be sturdy, something that I'm going to be okay with my kids playing on because I feel like it is good. It's got a lot of safety features that I really want to show you. So underneath, you can see it's got a lot of straps. So this already is going to be protecting the kids. I don't feel like this is going to break real easily, but anyway, it's a nice safety feature, and it's not too far off the ground. You can see it's only just a couple inches, and then it really is all of the outside straps are covered by this heavy-duty padded protective ring, and then it just is really a nice feature to have the handbar on it so that they can jump. My goodness, this is awesome for them to burn energy. I love a mini trampoline, and I know my kids are going to enjoy it. Many times I will use a trampoline for working out, and they always want to join me. Well, here I can have them staying healthy and burning energy by jumping on that trampoline. And so not only is it good for them, it's fun, and they're gonna love it. And I also know it's very safe. They're not gonna hurt themselves. So great product, awesome to install, very easy to put together. If I can do it, you can do it. You're gonna love this product.